Hey, what's up? This is a special video on our channel Tech Brothers, because we will be testing electric bike for the first time. I think we will have more videos about electric bikes and scooters on this channel, because we are very interested in this topic. So the new electric bike is called ENGWE EP-2 Pro. You know, it is not really the latest model, because it was released about 1 year ago, but I have an upgraded version. The main upgrade is a larger battery of 13 Ah. The range in a pure electric mode is up to 60 km, and it can be up to 120 km in a pedal assist mode. The electric bike also has a powerful 750-watt motor, 20-inch all-terrain fat tires, foldable frame, mechanical disc brakes, LCD display, 7-speed system, and cruise control. Okay, in this video we will make unboxing and assemble the bike, and then look at the design, LCD display, and take a little ride on it. By the way, you can use the timecodes in description of this video. If you are ready, let's get started. The electric bike comes in a huge box. You will most likely need to help to get the box home. There is a big ENGWE logo on the front, the model name and the color are on the side. You will also probably need some help to get the bike out of the box. You know, ENGWE EP-2 Pro is 75% pre-assembled, so the rear wheel is already installed. Let's take all the fasteners off and see what else you need to install. So first of all, you need to install the steering wheel. For that, insert the stem of the handlebar sub-assembly into the main body frame. Make sure that the fork is pointing forward, and then tighten from the top using a quick lock. Next, you need to attach the front wheel and adjust the front brake. The third step is to install the front wheel fender and the front light. By the way, all the required tools for assembly are included, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Now we have to install a seat and pedals. Finally, we are left to install the trunk and taillight. That's all, it took me no more than 30 minutes. And this is my first time assembling the bike. It can be done even faster if you have experience. Before we go for a ride, we need to inflate the wheels and charge the battery. Talking about design of ENGWE EP-2 Pro, it is not really compact and lightweight bike. The dimensions are 170 by 130 by 40 cm. The weight is 32 kg. However, it has foldable frame, so it can be transported in the trunk of a passenger car. The frame of this electric bike is made of aluminum alloy, while the front fork is carbon steel. You can also see a shock absorption on the front wheel. There's a switch on the front to lock or loosen up the suspension. If you ride on the flat road, you can lock a suspension. On off-road terrain, the suspension is better loosened up for softer ride. ENGWE EP-2 Pro upgraded version comes with mechanical disc brakes on the front and rear wheels. They are 180 mm in diameter. You know, the wheels deserve special attention. They are 20 inches, while the thickness is 4 inches. They are much thicker than most other bikes, making it more comfortable to ride. In addition, thanks to the thick wheels, the bike is able to ride off-road. The seat is very comfortable. There's even a rear trunk, but I'm not sure if it is meant for people. By the way, the bike has a maximum load of 150 kg. ENGWE EP-2 Pro has a bright 84-volt front LED light and a reflector on the back. In fact, it is not just a reflector, but also a light. The rear light turns on along with the front one. There is a button on the steering wheel. By the way, it also lights up red when you apply the brakes. The battery is located in the frame. It is removable, which is very convenient, because you can leave your bike in a parking lot and take a battery with you to your home or office to charge it. However, you can also charge the battery without taking it off the frame. And there is a charging port in the frame. If we started talking about the battery, as already said, I have an upgraded version of ENGWE EP-2 Pro electric bike, and it comes with a 13 Ah battery. You can also buy an extra battery of 13 or 16 Ah. They are compatible with each other. However, you should note that 12.8 Ah battery is not compatible with this bike. The full battery charge takes from 5 to 7 hours. By the way, the charger for the battery has a cooler, so it was not overheat. However, it works quite noisy. If you want to remove a battery, first you need to insert a key into the lock at the bottom of the frame. There are two keys in the package. You can use one of them to open the lock and remove the battery, while the other key to turn on/off the battery. The range in a pure electric mode is about 50–60 km, but in a pedal assist mode it is up to 120 km. You should note that the range is highly dependent on the weather conditions, speed, road surface and other factors. You can see a battery level of electric bike on a display. Let's talk about it. ENGWE EP-2 Pro has LCD display on a steering wheel. I couldn't find information about its diagonal, but according to my calculations, it is about 3 inches. The screen is good visible outdoors in direct sunlight. As already said, there is a battery level at the top, speed in the center, assist level, and the range. You can also press a physical button to see the trip distance, total range, maximum speed, and average speed. Actually, there are many different settings in the display, such as push assistant indicator, change front and back light luminance, speed limit, etc. If you are interested, I will leave the link to display manual in description under the video. You can change the assist levels with plus and minus buttons. The level 0 is a pedal mode, when a motor is completely off. ENGWE EP-2 Pro also has 7 gears, and you can change them for more comfortable pedaling. Now you will see my first try at riding this electric bike. I will use a hand throttle. You know, I cannot say the bike is going forward very fast, but that's even a good thing. It gradually speeds up. I was riding at the top speed of 42 km/h, and it was really fast and even a little scary. ENGWE EP-2 Pro has 3 riding modes, such as pedal mode, pedal assist mode, and throttle mode. In a pedal mode, you need to pedal like regular mountain bike. In a pedal assist mode, you can choose an assist level on the display, and pedaling while the bike will help you. Finally, in the throttle mode, you can twist the handle to speed up. You don't need to pedal the bike if you use the hand throttle. The new electric bike from ENGWE has an intelligent energy recovery system. This system allows the battery to be recharged when it is on a high speed or downhill. The next feature of this bike is a cruise control. It is triggered when you hold the sample throttle for 8 seconds, and it is released by braking, pedaling or throttling. You should also know about pedal assistance system. You don't need to pedal hard, because the power assist helps you in any case. The power assist turns off when you apply one of the brakes or the bike reaches the maximum speed at assist level you choose. By the way, the maximum speed of ENGWE EP-2 Pro is 45 km/h. To be honest, I think it is a limited speed, because 750-watt motor can accelerate the bike even more. However, it is not really safe. Be careful with that. So the upgraded 2022 version of ENGWE EP-2 Pro looks similar to the last year's model, but it has a bigger and better battery. Now it has a capacity of 13 Ah. The manufacturer says that the range of the new electric bike is increased by 20% compared to 12.8 Ah version. It is up to 60 km in a full electric mode. That is a really big and important upgrade. Another feature of this bike is 750-watt motor. I was riding almost at the top speed of 45 km/h. It is very fast and a little scary. However, a powerful motor is a good thing, because the bike goes up the hill without any problems. Thanks to the front suspension and fat tires, you can ride on this bike off-road. The other features are removable battery, folding design, 3 riding modes, 5 pedal assist levels, front and back lights. I think the main problem of this bike is the weight. It is heavy, and it was difficult for me to lift it alone. Most likely you will need help to fold and put the bike into the car or climb the stairs. Overall, it is a powerful long-range electric bike with many features. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!